Have you tried the new AI video function in Canva? Wow, it is so easy. Okay, guys, go and try. Okay, how it looks like. Come, let me show you how to create an AI created video just by putting a few photos and just a prompt on what you want the video to be, and then it will create for you automatically a video that you want. Okay, first go to the settings up there and then press the Magic Studio, and then go and find the Magic Video. Okay, Magic Design to video, and then go and try the Magic Design. Okay, for video. Okay, we'll say that select 3 to 10 photos that related. So you select the photos that you want. So I'm doing a e-commerce product video for my product. So I select it. Okay, after selecting, please go and type in your prompt. Okay, so this one I will say that I want them to make maybe a TikTok video. Okay, that is for my flower bath and it's very relaxing. Okay, so then we just give them just one sentence of what video you want and then go to next. So you see here with just a few photos and one line text, right? Canva already created a video for you with the pictures that you selected. They even add in the text, and every photo they will have their text for you. So it's so amazing and so fast and so simple. I hope you have learned something new today that will help you in your business. So remember to follow me, Kong, and share to your friends who need this video.